G'day, here's 3 pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted, the white is a reflection of the lights. Just brought the camera in a little bit closer. Basically the stone's on the top there, there's nothing underneath. Second piece. I think you'll end up with a wavy pattern of colour with this. See sand clay inclusion there. What's over this side? It's hard to know, but a bit of grinding, you might find that colour, a bit of luck, oops, sorry, off the screen, this colour, and it's mixed up with potch, it's not a straight colour bar, comes around under here, so you end up with a triangular stone about that big, possibly, until you grind it down. You won't know, but I hope you've enjoyed that. Cheers.